Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is BeyPel and I'm going to unbox my Hero 8 GoPro. This is a birthday gift for my husband and I grabbed this from Costco again. I'll just put the price somewhere here in the video. This is the Hero 8, the latest one. I think it's Hero 9. So we compared it. It's not that big of a difference. Hero 9 is a little bit expensive and this one is a little cheaper. The difference between Hero 8 and Hero 9 is their video capturing. So Hero 8 is only 12 MP while the new Hero 9 is 20 MP, and video capturing, it's almost the same. This one is 1080p and the other one, the Hero 9, is like 5K 30. And the only big difference is this Hero 8 doesn't have a video or a monitor in the front. So the Hero 9 has a monitor in the front. So I think that's a little advantage when vlogging, so you can see yourself using the front camera. And the newest Hero 9, I think it is more stable. So in short, Hero 9 is more stabilized than Hero 8. This is our first GoPro, so probably we'll go to the cheapest and not the most high-tech GoPro. And other features are all still the same, mostly the same. You can always use this underwater or submerge it in the water like in 33 feet. So it's almost the same with the newest GoPro. So there's $100 difference between two. Hero 8 is like $300 and Hero 9 is around $400. So $100 difference. This is a bundle. It comes with the storage, a bag, battery pack, a handheld, a USB cable, an SD drive. It comes with 32 gig SD. It also comes with rechargeable battery and a bag or a storage bag. Okay, let's unbox this. So we got this from Costco and it comes with a free technical support. Just call this number. And these are what's included in the bundle. So this one is 12 MP, 4K 60, a slow-mo of 8 times, stabilized 2.0, time warp 2.0, 1080p live streaming, live burst, super photo plus HDR, raw, voice command, touchscreen, and you can submerge it to water. You can capture video underwater, 33 feet or 10 meters, and it has a GPS. Okay, let's open. So, look at this. So my husband is so excited with this GoPro. So you can do that. Okay. So it comes with 2 batteries, rechargeable, USB, the mounting screw thingy. Oh, the strap. And this one. And it's big. So you can strap it in your hands like that and secure it like that. So it also comes with the instruction, of course, and you can always subscribe to GoPro. Okay, so it comes with a 1-year subscription to GoPro, 1-year free subscription, and it comes with unlimited cloud storage of your GoPro footage. No question asked camera replacement, up to 50% off mounts, accessories, and lifestyle gear at GoPro.com, and up to $100 off your next GoPro. Okay, so it comes with that. It comes with the easy install instruction. And this one, no need to return to store. If you have a question, and a stickers to let anyone or everyone that you use a GoPro. So the instructions right here. Okay, and of course it comes with the SD card, the micro SD card with adapter. So this one comes with 32 gigs and the bag itself. So when you use this, so this one goes here. So you can probably do this one. So you can put your GoPro right here and this one here, or you can do this. Like that. So you would put this here, GoPro here, and your spare batteries like that. If you have extra SD card, you can put it here. And that's how you do it. Of course, put back this one in case you need something, instruction, and the number you can call when there's a problem with your GoPro. And that's it. I'm just gonna show you that we also bought this one, the SD card. It is a 128 gigabytes, and it comes with two, so we have spare. I think it's much better compared to 32 gig. This one will be used here, and the other one would be a spare. Okay, so we're gonna put the battery. So what you're gonna do is this one, if you can see this, you just push it a little bit like that, so you'll see the red thingy inside. So it means it's open and it's ready to plug in or put in the battery. So just open it like that, and this one will go like this. So just pop it in, just put it inside, and then close it, and then push it back, this one. Okay, hold on. There you go. Okay, says here 8 block. I think I hit the power button. And turn it on. Oh, there's no battery. I think we need to charge it. We'll try the other battery. So there's a little like tongue, so you just pull it using this one. Pull the battery using this one. Okay, let's see if this has charge. So I'm gonna charge it. I'll come back. Okay, so I charge it. So this is how you set this up. So it's a touch screen. So we'll do English. By using a GoPro, I agree. I agree. Capture the location where your videos and photos are taken. Okay, let's do the GPS on. Number 1, install the GoPro app your phone to finish setup. Okay, leave your camera on and follow the app instruction. Okay, so we have to download the app to finish the setup. Okay, so I'm going to download the app and I'll be right back. So I already set up the camera or the GoPro. So yeah, so the monitor is in the back and there's a little like monitor or that it says what are you using or the battery life, and there's no SD and what kind of mode you are on. So I'll put the SD card first. Okay, so when you put the SD card, so just open the battery pack and there's you're gonna put your SD card, and then just put in the SD card. So I'll use this one, the 128 gigabytes. Let's put it in. So here's the SD card. Okay, and you're gonna put it this way. So it's the back and this one. Okay, there's the SD card, and we'll put back the battery. So let's turn it on again. There you go. And it says there's SD card. As you can see, here's the front. Okay. So I already finished setting this up in my phone. And there you go. So there's a lot of accessories that you can buy. You can buy the protector so you won't crash your GoPro. You can submerge this underwater for about 33 feet. And if you're gonna go deeper, like more than 33 feet or 10 meters, you have to get the GoPro Super Suit case. You can also use that as a protector for your GoPro. And there's a lot of accessories that you can buy. You can also get the monitor one. If you want to see yourself vlogging, you can do that, or you can buy that and you can add it here. But the GoPro Hero 9 has a monitor right in front here, so you don't have to buy the monitor that you add on top of the GoPro. The monitor that you can add here, it's like $79. So I think it's much better, it's much practical if you buy the Hero 9 GoPro. And there's a lot of accessories that you can buy. You can buy lenses, other lenses, you can add it here, and a lot more. So this one is a touchscreen. So there's still a lot to learn. This is our first time getting the GoPro, and we still have to study this. Okay, so let's build, or let's set up the GoPro, the physical GoPro. Okay, let's attach the GoPro in the mount. And this one, you can put this on your helmet. There's adhesive tape. Just peel it off and put it in your helmet. And then you put the GoPro on top of it. Like that. Okay, so you call this the handler. So it's really soft to the touch. I don't think you're gonna get tired of holding this because it's soft. So when you put this, just put this up and then you slide it like that and it will going to lock. So and then put it back, this one, to secure it. Okay, so, okay, now it's secured. You can always tilt it and then just lock it. And there you have it, your GoPro. So thank you for watching. I hope you like how I unboxed the GoPro Hero 8 color black. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, comment, and share this video. I'll see you next time. Bye!